Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought an interesting session which is how can we improve Python execution time. So this is very useful when we need to perform multiple tasks at a time. So how this is possible? This is possible with a Python module that is called threading. So what is threading? Threading is nothing but it's a sequence of instructions that operating system executes independently. If you see in an OS, there are two types of multitasking we can perform. Either we can perform via process-based or thread-based. So in Python, we will be performing thread-based. And if you see, for example, in a game when you start the game, you will see there will be music played, there will be display, there will be graphics loaded, there will be input that will be asked from the user. These are all separate threads actually. The starting of the game is a process, but in beneath that there will be several threads actually. For music, that's a one thread. For user input, that's a thread. For graphics, that's another thread. So for in every activity there are threads. So for running all those simultaneously, we are using threading module in Python. So it also saves a lot of time actually. It runs faster than our normal way of writing the Python code. So for example, if I say like I have a Python code which is normal, and if you say like I have two functions and two modules, which is for one is like hi, welcome to this company, and another is like the ID for that particular ID. I have the name as in the list format, that is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So I have the start time here to calculate the start of the time. Then I have two methods that I am calling, person name and ID name. Next I have here end time to calculate the end time to find the time difference actually. Then I have print task is complete, and then I will be printing the output, that is the time taken. What is the start and end? What is the time difference between end time and start time? So let's see by running the code. You see the way how it writes. First it's completing all the first method calling, and then it calls the second method. So it takes almost 6.67 seconds. So guys, note this value, that is 6.67 seconds. So what I'm going to do is like I will be importing a module called thread, and then we'll see like how much time it takes and how the way it writes. So I have already installed a module called threading. So what you need to do is like go to pip3 install threading 2. So you can go with this and you can install. Since I have already installed this, so it will not install. You can install this. Now what we need to do is import threading STH. So I will have the same thing. I will not change anything over here. Only thing is like after this start, now I need to call the threading part. So threading, it's like almost a T starts on T join. Those two we'll be doing actually. So that is first T1 threading 1 equal to th dot thread. Now I need to call the functions. Target equal to person. Then how many arguments are there and what are those? Since I have only one, so arg equal to name. Similar way for T2, th dot thread, target equal to id, arg argument equal to same name here. Now once this is done, next what I'm going to do is T1 dot start. This means I'm starting thread 1, then T2 dot start. So I'm starting thread 2. Now since for working this together, I need to join both the threads. So T1 dot join, T2 dot join. Okay. So this is for starting the thread, and join means for joining both the threads. So I don't need these two methods to call because I will be calling those using threads. So Okay, this is how it's done. So let me see how this piece of code runs. You can see here. If you see this, the way it writes all first method together and then the second method, and then it takes almost 6.67 seconds. Whereas when I'm using threading, I'm running two in the parallel, two modules in the parallel, two methods. See, welcome to this company, B, then C, C, see, and the time taken is pretty less than that. So this is how threading works, guys. If you are using multiple tasks in a Python program, so please go with the threading model. This is very helpful, and it will really lower down your Python execution time. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please press like button, and for more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.